Have you ever think about why you always lack of money? Why some people earn money much easier than you, even with less effort? Why are you always losing money? Today we'll answer all of those questions. So stay tuned and watch until the end so you don't miss any of the information. Please subscribe and click the ring button if you are the first time ever watching my channel. Money is the most crucial thing in life. Although some people say that money doesn't make you happy, without money it will make you far worse. A wrong understanding of money will make you always lack of it. Lack of money is a symptom. There's something wrong about your relationship with money. First of all, you must understand that money is energy. It's the same as water, ground, and air. Because money is energy, we can attract or repel money. Some people become very rich because they are very good at attracting money. Today, we will learn about the 9 new rules of money. The better understanding of money, the easier you attract money into your life. We will also learn mindset on how to attract money come into your life and why money always avoids you because of the wrong mindset. Today, we will learn all about those things. The laws of money are like the laws of gravity, assured and unchanging. So now let's begin with the first rule. Rule number 1 is respect money. Money will attract to someone who respect money. Imagine money as a person. A person will attract to you if you respect the person. The money will attract to you, come closer to you when you respect money with full of your heart. From this point, I'll call money as a person. By personifying our relationship with money, we are able to create a dialogue and have a deeper relationship with money. Respecting your money means taking care of her properly. Showing respect to money means understanding its value. The way you use the money shows how respectful you are towards her. If you don't value money, she won't be going to stay with you in the long term. Rule number 2. Money avoid haters. I want you to imagine once more. Imagine money as your spouse, and every single day you call her bad things like, "You don't make me happy," "You are evil," "You are bad." You cause conflict between family members. Imagine you talk that way to your spouse. Believe it or not, sooner or later, she will leave you. Now, if you ever done it to your money, you have a terrible relationship with money. You have a wrong understanding about money. No wonder you always lack of it. So, from now, I want you to love and respect your money more than ever, because money will avoid you if you hate her. Rule number 3. Money will go to a safe place. She will go to where she knows she will be safe and grow. Money will come to a place where she can grow and multiply. She will choose a place or a person who can make her multiply. Simply put, don't put your money in investments that do not pay a dividend. Don't invest in risky places that seems too good to be true. In other words, don't abuse it, and it will actually take care of you. Spend money within your means, rather than spending more than you earn. Be honest with what you have rather than pretending you are rich. Money will flee from an inhospitable environment. She will go to a place where she can grow and multiply, regardless in the hand of good or bad people. Rule number 4. Money is neutral. Money doesn't know good or bad. Money always attracts to people who respect her, whether the person is good or bad. That's why there are some people who have a lot of money but also have an evil personality. It doesn't mean that money is bad, but the person is very good at attracting money. So, you don't need to be an evil to earn much money. You don't need to be an angel either. What you only need is to learn how to attract money and fix your relationship with money. Rule number 5. Money hates greed. Even though money is neutral, one thing that money hates is greed. Just like a woman hates an over-possessive man. History wrote, when greed meets with money, it will create a disastrous event. When money meets with greed, it will bring bad luck. You name it. Judas Iscariot, because he was too greedy, he made Jesus cross. Finally, he died hanging himself in grief. Bernie Madoff, the former chairman of Nasdaq, found guilty because of running a business through 65 million Ponzi scheme. He's sentenced for 150 years, his sons arrested, and one of them commits suicide. When a person becomes greedy, it will make him decide something that harmful to the money environment and break the third rule. The money will leave if she knows she was in a dangerous place and could end up losing the opportunity to grow. Rule number 6. Money exposes people. Money doesn't change people. Money only exposes them. Money is not the root of evil, but the money can expose the evil within people. When money meets good people, with the money in their hands, they will do more good deeds to humanity and the community. On the other hand, when money in possession of a wrong person, when she meets evil, it will create tyrants. Money is not evil. Money never changes people, but money will tear off the mask of people who have it and shows their true identity. Rule number 7. Money loves hard work. Hard work attracts money and opportunity. Money detests lazy men and people who want to get money in a fast way. Money loves hardworking and smart people because money knows that in the hand of those people, she will be respected and have a possibility to multiply. Rule number 8. Money equals life. Any money you have represents a portion of your life, as you have spent maybe countless of years, months, days, hours of your life to earn money. So every time you buy something, you are giving up a part of your life in exchange of stuff you buy. Time is money is an old saying, but it still works that way. So spend money within your means rather than spending more than you earn. Your life, your time is very limited. When you know this fact, I'm really sure you will use your money wisely. Rule number 9. Your past experience matter. Your relationship with money is the manifestation of your past experience. For example, if a person was really poor, then when they have or earn a lot of money, there will be several possibilities of manifestations. Maybe the person will be overly stingy because they make money with hard work. Or perhaps the person will spend the money too lavishly because they want to enjoy their current situation. Perhaps the person will become a man of arrogance because they want to prove to everyone that he has power and money now. On the other hand, maybe the person will be a person of compassion. They love doing right, helping other people because they know what it's like as a poor people. So when you have a negative manifestation or relationship with money, you have to check and reflect your past experience. Maybe your experience disrupts you from having a good relationship with money. That's all the 9 new rules of money. For you who have already watching until now, I'll give you a bonus point. And that brings us to the 10th rule, financial literacy. If you want to attract a lot of money into your life, you need to learn about money. You need to know the ins and outs about money and the skill to know everything about money called financial literacy. Financial literacy is important because it equips us with knowledge we need to know on how to manage money. The bad news is financial literacy was never learned at school, even though financial literacy is very crucial in our life. The good news is the information is out there. We are lucky. We live in an era where information is only as far as our thumb. With only one single click, you can find any information you need to know. The only job for you is to find the right guru, to find the right mentor on financial literacy. School teaches students how to manage money, but school never teaches students how to earn money. You need to learn the history of money, how money and investment work, and get to know what is the difference between money and currency, and how money is created by the government. My final question is, what do you think about your relationship with money? Let me know from the comment below. If you enjoy our video, please subscribe and click the ring button. See you in another video.